Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Math Matters, and today we are going to learn how to draw a bar diagram. For this we are going to need a scale, definitely the water type scale. Actually that one will be doing a great help to you. And now let's you'll need a pencil. This one is a pencil, you remember that, right? Eraser occasionally sometime, and this one which actually I use for making right angles whenever there is no protector with me. Okay, these things we are going to use for drawing bar diagram. Let's get started. Bar diagram. The bar diagram is basically a picture of bars. Actually, you can see over here, there are columns, or you can say bar also. This is actually a bar diagram. The diagram or figure which we use to keep track of our important data, or whatever you want to actually keep track in. Okay, track on. This is the picture, or this is the diagram we use for it, and this is called bar diagram only because it is using the bar to show the track of data. Now let's know how to draw them. From page 141 you can see that they have shown you a process of drawing bar diagram, but now I am going to show you on a paper how you can draw in actual life. Okay, or in actual class. They have given us a table over here. They said that we are going to use that table and draw them here. They didn't draw it, they just showed it, and you are going to complete it by yourself. But basically what I will say, please draw it in your paper so that you can be better, uh, you can do better than this. Okay, so what they said Mina's class. Okay, Mina's class, there are lots of students. They different student likes different characters of animal. Like 9 student liking tiger, elephant liked by 11 student, hippopotamus. My god, this one is huge. Okay, this one is liked by 4 student. Basically in cartoon character they looks cute. I hope you remember that. And lion, yes, lion king liked by 7. And leopard, which is personally my favorite. Leopards are awesome. If you have seen the National Geography, definitely you know what I'm talking about. The print of leopard print, or the animal actually so fascinating. Oh my god, they can run so fast. Awesome. Anyway, let's get back to our bar diagram. And leopard are liked by only 3 people, which is very low in number. So let's get back how to draw it. I'm going to show you. Please step by step follow with me and take your every single thing which one I have showed you. You have to draw with those things. Okay, let's start it. In this picture you can see that I have already given the name. There should be a name for every bar diagram. Whenever you are drawing a bar diagram, you are supposed to give the name. In this case I gave name that animals liked by Meta's class. Okay, we are talking about those animals which are liked by which all class, or the whole class of Meta. Okay, now what we are going to do, they in your picture, in your book, basically they gave us a horizontal line and the vertical line, and they gave it as a OA. You know that this looks like right angle, correct? Huh? It's a pretty simple thing to write a right angle. You can either use your protector for it. The page is giving me pain. Let me put it over there. Now you cannot fly around me. So you can see this is the right angle, but believe me, I didn't use this protector for drawing this one. Okay, I used a simple thing, just this one, for drawing this right angle. How I'm going to draw it, I'm going to show you on the next page. For now, just know that this one is a OX axis, this one axis. Basically in other classes like um, 5 maybe also, and also class 6, 7, 8, you will know this one as a axis. They say that a line or something like this. I would like you to teach that. We will say axis about this. Okay, OX axis, which one is horizontal, and this one is vertical, OY axis. Okay, this OY axis basically showed the number of animal. We are going to keep track, we are going to write down numbers of animals that way, upward direction. And this one we are going to say as a name of animals. We are going to write down the names of animals as they have shown you in your book. You can see the names over here. Now how to draw that small square on the whole page, how to draw that one, I'm going to show you that one, particularly this one, because this is very important. If your bar diagram doesn't look even, every bar doesn't look even, then it will look little bit off. It will not look that good. So what we are going to do, uh, I'm going to show you this two. If you don't have any skill, it's totally fine. If you have set square, you can use it that one also. So this two we are going to use for now, and at first we have to observe how many columns, as you see that names of animals over here, how many bar we are going to draw. Okay, so how many animals we are going to write down the names. Let's find it out. We are going to write down 1 animal, 2, 3, 4, 5, in total 5 animals. I would like to say that whenever we are drawing this kind of thing, definitely uh, here also 5 data. Okay, there are also 5 data, they go 5. So in class 5 there will be no space between them. You can keep space between them. If you don't like to keep space between them, totally fine. And but for class 4 we are going to keep space between them. So how many columns we are going to need? We are going to need 5 columns, and around 5 there will be more 5 and also extra. Okay, let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, I said 1 extra. Okay, after taking 5 bar, we need more 5 to put to put gap between them. That makes 10, and one more extra to just to look the picture, make the picture nice, look nice. That's it. Okay, so let's start it. We're going to write 11 diagrams, 11 bar actually. So first of all, let me little bit focus it. I just focus this one a little bit to show you small details. Okay, we need not more than like 1 centimeter gap or bash, 1 centimeter bash only. Okay, from here to there 1 centimeter would really look nice, or less than 1 centimeter will be also look nice. But for now, what we are going to do, we are just going to take our pencil and I am going to show you. Look, if we take this one, this line, then and matches with our that line. Okay, this whole line, if we matches with this one, this line with that one, if we put this much from this line to that line, then you will have a huge amount of line, which is actually pretty big than 1 centimeter. Oh my, it's almost 2 centimeter. Okay, we are not going to do that. The smallest part will need. Now if we match this line with that line, then let's see what will happen. I'll have this one, look, still more than 1 centimeter. Okay, still more than 1 centimeter, and we are not going to do that also. Now you can see there are lines, there's a numbers. You can see the numbers we can actually uh, use for making the line as a aligned. We can also use this dots end of the line. You can see this one from starting to end point. If we keep all of the line touching our main line, all of this line, all the dashes, okay, then we'll have a pretty nice line, like more than half centimeter. Okay, more than half centimeter. This one I would definitely like, but for you, what I'm going to do, I'm going to touch the number head with the main line. Okay, let's see. If we put the number head, that touching the line with number head, that's it, nothing else. This one I have done. You can see all of the numbers heads are actually touching my actual line. Okay, if we do this one, then it will look pretty nice from let me do one thing, zoom out. Let me zoom out. I zoomed out a little bit. Now I am going to draw. You can see there is a arrow sign over here. Basically I gave it as a preference of that much line we are going to need. So how many bar we are going to need or column we are going to need? Total 11. Let's draw them. This is my first one. Now this is my main line. I'm going to touch this main line and draw another line. Please try to do that evenly so that your picture will really look really nice. Okay, you can see I'm doing one after another. The last line will be our main line. See, all of them are very even line, very even line. Let me finish this much. I'll go up to 11 bar. Okay, let me finish this. You can see that sometimes your lines are going up like this. If you have seen, look, they are not even. Okay, on the time what will happen, I will definitely let you know after finishing all of them. Okay, alhamdulillah, I have finished all 11 bars. Okay, you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Total 11 bars, because our data, we have 5 data. In between, if we keep one bar as a empty space, on the time we will need 10 and one extra for keeping them looking nice. I was interrupted by my mother. Anyway, you can see this one also having number line and head. We can use this number line, number head. By touching them, we'll get the same result of even bar. Okay, if we have this one or that one, definitely you can draw this. Okay, now same technique, I'm just going to flip my copy here. And before than that, I'm going to tell you another simple thing about your bar diagram is, now how many numbers we are going to put. Okay, how many numbers we are going to put over here. Let's see that also. You can see from this one, each of them, I already told you that each of the marks counting 1 unit, as a 1 unit, each of them as 1 unit. Like Thursday 1 2, 1 unit 2 unit, means there are 2 students, 1 unit for 1 student, 2 unit for 2 student, 3 unit for 3 student. Exactly same thing. Like for this one, I am going to do is, you are going to need highest, you have to count highest number, and here highest number is 11. Okay, so for that 11 of the unit we are going to need, like up to that much 11. Okay, so definitely remember that we are going to take one more unit than the highest number. As 11 is our highest number, we are going to need in total 12 units. How many units? 12 units. Let me show you. So we are going to, in total, we are going to draw 12 bars. Okay, so let's see. Again, touching the main line with the number head. I got cold in few minutes. No, it's because of the red chili. My mom is actually frying red chili. Let me finish that one, and also let me get rid of the odor of red chili. Okay, and I'm going to draw up to 12 units. Remember, you always draw one extra unit for making the picture or figure looks awesome. Okay, very very nice. You can already see that it's already looking like the book one, you know, even a nice shape square units. You can see already there's no more extra lines over here or there. Okay, don't go beyond these lines, be in middle of these lines so that your units looks really nice. I have already done up to 6 and I'm going to finish more 6. Well, this is my last one. I'm going to do the last one. You know, by using this technique you can draw the lines definitely very evenly, but also, yeah, I want to tell you one thing that um, if you keep practicing on the time, what will happen, you will not need that much that amount of time. And you can see that after drawing the whole uh, 12 units and also over there 11 bars, you can see I have extra thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to keep my skill over here. This is a very important technique. Okay, just remember that. If you want to keep this line, we are going to put our line with our scale evenly. After that, just erase that part. I really don't like using eraser on my paper, but this copy's paper is looking bit off. I don't like it. Okay, it's looking bad. Okay, this is why I always say that if you want to use, definitely use, you know, better quality paper. This paper is not that much better quality. And yes, our bar diagram is all ready, and there is another line I have to erase. If you didn't erase that one also, this is totally fine. Okay, no worry, no need to worry. Now what we are going to do, already we have write down the zoom out. Yes, already we have written the name and the numbers of animals. What we are going to do, we are going to write down the numbers over here per unit. This one mark, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. As I said, one more, 12. I'm not going to write down that part. Okay, so don't worry. Now we are going to give one gap, one bar as a gap. Then we are going to write down tiger. How we are going to write down tiger? I'm going to flip my copy another time. Okay, so we are going to write down tiger over here. You can see the first bar over here, then another empty bar, and we are going to write down elephant over there. Let me finish writing, then I am coming back again. You can see that I have already finished writing tiger, elephant, hippopotamus, lion and leopard. Okay, each of the lines are representing the animals. Now the last part, we are going to do the last part. Let's see. They say tiger up to 9, so each of the mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can, if you want, you can count, or if you want, you can all just put it the line 9. We will need 9 and tiger 9. Okay, up this much, up to this much. Just give it a little bit dark color. That's it, nothing else. Just to show your lines. What I'm trying to teach you is better way to draw. If you keep practicing, definitely you will get better. Each of the time, each single time you practice, each single time you will get better and better, inshallah. The next one, elephant, is for 11. So you can see in your book they didn't give you all of the mark, but I will definitely ask you to write down all of the mark. Definitely all full this figure, except this line and that line, except these two lines, full of the figure you are going to draw with pencil. So elephant, there is my elephant, and up to this much is here. Look, crossing the line, pim pim, over here. Okay, for elephant we will go. If you want, you can also use your scale for that. Elephant, this line is for elephant, and elephant will go for 11. This is your line. Okay, just mark it. This much. Now for hippopotamus, what you are going to do, hippopotamus is up to, let me see, 4. Oh my god. So I'm touching the hippopotamus bar, and now go for 4. Oh, there's 4. This much is 4. And now we are going to draw for lion, and lion was only 7. This is our 7 line, so, and that is lion bar, this much. The leopard one was most less 3. We'll go up to this. See how easy they are, how easy. All of the things are having same thing, you know, uh, topmost bar. Now I'm going to show you only one, how you are going to sketch that. It's not important to sketch them so deeply. Okay, what you can do, you just go like this, just simple. I'm not a professional one, I don't know how to do that, but still, just move your pencil, sketch it just like this. See how easy they are. Okay, I have shown you 2 of them how to do it. Now rest of them, after finishing it, I'm going to show you. Just give me a little bit of time, then I'm going to come back again. As the video is going too big and boring, I'm very sorry about it. I have to finish it. I have finished this one. Always remember that thing. If you press your pencil too hard, then your copy will get holes in it. Okay, so don't do this one. Never ever do this one. Just try to sketch it with a light hand. That's it. Your bar diagram is complete over here, and I'm going to show you the last one. Let me show you. Let me get a little bit faster. The thing we are going to solve is this one. I gave you as a homework, and you have little bit problem with this one. So what we are going to do is, I'm just going to show you how we are going to count that one. 5 and 5, 10. 10 and 5, 15. Then 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 45, 46, 47, 48. It means there are 48 sticks. Okay, all of them are counted as a 5. You know that after giving 4 sticks, if you cut it down, then it means it is actually amount is 5. Okay, then again 5 and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. There is 27. This is how we are going to do it. And here all 5, mashallah. 5 and 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. This was actually way too easy. 5 and 5, 10, and more 4. 10 and 4 makes 14. Okay, this is how it is easy. This much how it is easy. That one I would like you to do as homework. Please practice and do it to one this one as a homework. Okay, homework for me. This one from page number, it is the page number 139, 139, this one. Okay, this one which we use over here, this bar diagram, sorry, this bar diagram, this one you are going to use to draw a bar diagram for two number. Okay, this two number, this one, and here they say to compare between them. You can see exactly there's no difference between them. If you take this picture and put it over here, so they are exactly same. 14 bananas here, 14 bananas here, apples 12, after 10 two more, after 10 two more, apples, bananas, apples, orange, guava, others, bananas, apple, orange, guavas, others. It's exactly same thing, but in different alignment. Okay, this one is actually vertical lines and this one is horizontal lines. That is the difference, nothing else. Okay, this is all for today. I have already made this video too long to express to you how to do and how to draw properly, and I'll get back to you in the next week, inshallah. Please be with me, be with Math Matters, and pretty soon I'm going to open all of the video links for you. Take care, bye bye.